These back to school outfit ideas that are cute, comfy, chic, and wouldn't break your bank. Let me save you the Pinterest scroll and let's get right into this video. Okay, so we're going to first start off with something that is cute for the first day, if you're thinking about that. So what I'm going to be going on is looking for something like white and pink. For sure, I know, I already see the vision. First off, we're aiming for something cute, so definitely pink always brings out that vibe. So we're gonna be going with a pink long sleeve. If you have a short sleeve, that's absolutely fine. That's perfect, I think. I mean, nothing wrong with it as long as you have something that's pink and you're comfortable in wearing. And of course, we said something white. It's going to be a skirt, not pants, because yeah, it's quite hot outside. Next is that we're going to be going in with this white skirt. Look at that. I love that. Like, I know, right? Let me put you on thrifted. So we're going in with this. Oh, it's kind of like baggy, but you definitely have to draw the strings. So hold up a second. It's actually not bad. I actually quite like it. Look at that. The length of the dress is literally so perfect. Up to the knees. Something that's very comfortable, of course, to wear. It's hot outside, so it's gonna be perfect. Next thing, we're going with this pink shirt to match the vibe. So the thing about this is the string that brings this out. I literally just like putting it at the side with like a little bit of a cute bow tie. You see that? Of course, you guys want to see something cute for the first day. Look at that. I love how this looks like. Look at this. Look at the flow of the dress. And of course, to match this vibes, we're going to be putting on some slides. Look at the details. First day of school, something pink for sure. I can't wear shoes on the rug, so here we are. I love this rug. It's so tiny and soft. Alright, so these are the Birkin that I was talking about. I love these so much. I just don't know what happened to this side. If you can see the darker side, like something definitely happened there, because I think it got stained and I was trying to like clean it with water. And if you guys know how to remove that, obviously comment down below in the comments and help we go all that. But yeah, this is for sure going to complete the outfit for the first day, or whatever week it is. Look at it. Look at it. And obviously you could go with whatever color of socks, but I would recommend white because you're trying to give some, cute vibes and all that stuff at the same time. So for sure, these slides are definitely a go-to 100%. And then of course, look at it. Look at it. It's really hard to show like a full body cam, but guys, deal with what we have. And then of course, if we were going with unibag, yeah, we're gonna be going with this to see how everything obviously maps out to be like. Because this is cute and it goes well with the shoe. And of course, this is how the bag would look like. Yeah. With your water bottle, you're holding it. Here we are. We just did that pink outfit because everybody said they wanted something cute. They want something cute. Going to be going in with this white sweats, which I got from, I think, Ardeen, perhaps, yeah, or Urban Planet. I can't remember which one I got it from. So I'm gonna be going in with this white sweat that's extra large, because you know me, I love winning something that's extra large. We're gonna go with this white pants. You know what could also work as a good outfit? Look at that. This pants with this pink shirt. Tell me it's not nice. It is nice. Anyways, that's not what we're trying to do because this shirt is a little bit tight. So we're gonna be going to actually no. I think everything's gonna be tight. We're gonna be going with this green tank top. It's from Essentials, or it is Essentials, I guess. I think this is extra small. This is extra small, so it's kind of like a dark green, so you probably might not see it's a green. Alright, so if you guys want to see the finishing products, this is how it looks like. Exactly. When I said it was a silicone dress, kind of, this is what I meant. I know. Okay, so this is very obviously going to tuck it in because you can't be looking like a baggy this and this. No, We're not doing that, guys. Not here. If you have like, if you don't have green, it's fine. If you have black or white or any other color, it's also fine, because it's an inner layer before we put the jacket on and all that stuff.
That's of course, that's the vibes that we're going with. Look at that. Look at that. This is how I feel when I wear, like,
thanks, I guess. Okay, let's start. Okay, so this is the fit. It's the fit. This is the fit. I'm trying to get the angle that you can actually see it, because I'm all the way in the back. So this is the fit. You see that? I know what you guys are saying. Like, look at this. To round it up together, I'm also going to be doing something, because it might be cold outside a little bit, just in case it's cold, because it is reaching that season that it's going to get cold. So you're going with this. If you have, so you want something comfortable, it might become hot later on, but at least you're wearing something inside. It's like you don't want to do that much, but this is how it looks like. I'm actually kind of sweating right now because it's actually hot outside. I think it's 22 degrees, but I'm not so sure. We're going in with the same shoes that we did before. Birkin Schlight. I love this so much. I want to get another color. Like, should I get, what other colors are? I don't know if I should get black or gray. This is how the pants are gonna look like down here. For the vibes, we're going to be going in with that. Like, tell me it's not nice. Next, we said we're going with chic vibes. Something chic. You want something, you know, a little bit something for the back to school vibes. If you're down to wearing a dress, wear it. But I'll be. Would I wear a dress for the first day? No, not really. Actually, I am going to be starting a jersey, which I've like thrifted for like a long time, but never really got to wear it. I think it's time to start a jerseys. Yeah, it's time to start jerseys, because why not? Okay, for the reference, this is a jersey I'm talking about, and I'm trying to style. I mean, is this the fit that we're trying to go for? I mean, I don't know, guys, because look at that. It's literally so big. I don't even know why I thrifted this. I'm not so sure what's going on, but we know for this, we gotta go with black. Like, there's no other color. I mean, there is white, but bro, we gotta go with baggy pants. Black. And this, of course, is from Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova is so expensive. Fashion Nova, if you want to sponsor this video, I mean, it's not sponsored than any team, but if you would love to sponsor me, I would appreciate it. Thank you very much. Anyway, this jeans is from Fashion Nova. Tall girlies, where you at? This is where you get your tall pants from. Because look at that. Look at that. I actually like this. I've been wanting it in like a long time. This is the pants. And that's, of course, you are going to. I mean, I could look it like this, but it looks like I'm getting swallowed.
Have you ever been swallowed up? Have you gone through a time of swallowing where everything was overwhelming and you...
They say, where's your waist? You say, see the floor of it. Like, it's actually hard to move in these, but they're fire. I love them so much. The style, these for sure, just leave it like this. Ooh, okay, I like this. Nice. Okay, but this look, we're gonna actually pin the inside so it's like a butterfly, and then we're going to leave it like this. So this is the look. Well, these are the shoes. I love the shoes so much. They're so comfortable, but I want to get like the New Balance. I love it so much. I literally don't want to pin it right now because I gotta go out in like a few minutes. That's gonna take me a while to take it out. But yeah, if you definitely want like a cinched vibe, I would say for sure go with this. Like, pin it to the back and then add it with black jeans and a jersey. Okay guys, so I thought I was filming before, but I found out that I wasn't actually filming. So I lost that video that I just yapped the entire time. So anyways, I'm just gonna do a quick one. Changed it into the white shirt. This is what I'm talking about when I say cinch it. So this is the pants vibe. Like, it's like a V cut, and then, you know, it just goes down. Let me go back. The pants are from Zara, just so you know, in case I didn't mention that before. But of course, the jeans is from Fashion Nova. Again, this is the entire look. Ooh. Yeah, this is honestly a good look if you're just trying to just vibes in general. Shoes. Oh, shit. Of course. I mean, it's hard to see, but it's what we'll do. I just showed you how the pants will look like. So that's pretty much all for today. That's all the outfits that I have or suggestions that I have for what you can wear for now. Which outfit is your favorite out of these 5 that I've shown you? I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.